Should you re-engage your community? So this is a school community, cycle community, whatever community platform you have online. Should you re-engage it or give up, or what should you do? Well, first of all, I would consider the amount of members that you actually have. So let's say you have 20 members and the engagement is really, really down. And now after a month of getting these 20 members, you're like, okay, let's start cooking. Well, if you go to the member list, if you got those members from an external source and not from the community platform itself, more likely than not, especially on school, for example, the members aren't on school anymore. So they're not on the platform anymore to engage. So at that point, you should just get more members. But if you have a bigger community, let's say 200 members plus, then there's probably a few people that you can bring in, right? Now, I would start with just 2 or 3. First of all, it starts with you. So start posting every day. Keep the questions very open. Keep the posts very short. Don't do these fucking long ass novels. 99% of communities don't want to read it. They just want human thing to thing. That sounded like a Sam Owens laugh. Oh my god, I've been watching him too much. If you know, you know. Okay, and then yes, and then show up, and then just talk to 2 or 3 members in the DMs and build a relationship with them. And then after you build that relationship with them, try and get them on a regular posting cadence. And then for them being on a regular posting cadence, then they kind of get a closer relationship with you. And that's how I would go about re-engaging. That's like 101. But most of the time, bro, just get more members. Dog, lady, human, dog. Maybe you're a dog watching this. I don't know. I'm inclusive out here. All right. Bye.